Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Far Away. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to paint chrome. I'll be painting this chrome bumper. So let's just get started. Alright guys, first of all what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove the bumper. It's a lot easier for me to sand it down and just prepare it. So let me just disassemble everything so that I can start sanding the bumper. Alright, I removed the grill, and that allows me to see the bolts for the bumper. So I'm going to be taking those off and removing the bumper. Alright, I already started sanding the bumper. You can see this bumper had already been painted white before, but they didn't do a very good job. What you need to do, whoever did this paint job before did not sand the bumper. You do need to sand it. I don't know if you can tell right here the difference on the sanding and on the part that's not sanded. Let me show you how I'm sanding it. I already sanded all this area. All this area is ready. I'm using 120 grit sandpaper. 120 grit sandpaper with the DA, and I'm scuffing everything down and trying to get everything as dull as possible. Right there. You can tell the difference. So let me just put you on the stand so you can see how I'm sanding it, and let's go from there. Alright guys, as you can see right there, nice and sanded, and that's what you need to look for. Okay, let me sand the whole this side of the bumper, finish it off, then I'll come back as soon as we're gonna paint it so I can tell you the next step. Okay, everything has been sanded, everything has been prepared and ready. So what I'm gonna be doing, first of all, this is a product I'm gonna be using, the wax and grease remover. And I'm just going to clean it up. You need to take everything off that you sanded, and I already cleaned it. This is what I took off. This is what came off, which is all the sanding residue. You need to clean it up real good in order for you to start applying the adhesion promoter. Alright, so let's just go to that step and start applying the adhesion promoter. Alright guys, after cleaning it up with the wax and grease remover, I'm going to start applying the adhesion promoter. This is what I'm going to be using. I'm just going to mist it. I'm going to put 2 to 3 wet coats. The first coat that I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to mist it. The reason I'm doing that is so that adhesion promoter can stick to the chrome. Okay, other than that, it's going to be real hard, but it should stick. That's the reason we sanded it. And let me show you how it's done. Alright guys, this is after 2 coats of adhesion promoter. I waited 15 minutes in between coats. Now I'm going to wait another 15 minutes so it to dry up a little bit. Then I'll start adding the first coat of sealer, 2K sealer. This is the sealer that I'm going to be using. Right there, it's from Eurochem, and this is a medium grade. Okay, so let me just wait 15 minutes. I'll come back, start shooting the first layer of sealer. There it is, the first layer of sealer. I'm only going to add one. One is all you need. Once it's covered, you're good. Okay, so I'm going to let it set for another 15 minutes, and then I'll come start applying the first coat of a base, the first coat of paint. Okay, I've had a couple of questions regarding this sealer. They've been asking do they need to sand the sealer after it's applied before adding the paint. No, just add the sealer, let it set for 15 minutes, then you can start applying the first coat of paint, and that's it. You can go from there. And there it is. This is after 3 coats of base. Now I need to let it set. I'm gonna let it set for about 15 minutes and start adding the clear. Now this is the clear I'm gonna be adding. I'm trying to show you all the products that I'm using, and the clear is from Grant 7 and it's called Oh My, right there. And I'm gonna be using the slow hardener because it's about 95 degrees right now. So let me just wait 15 minutes and start applying the first coat of clear. And there it is, guys. This is after the 3 coats of base and 3 coats of clear. And that's the way you paint the chrome. You can use this method on the chrome rims, aluminum, anything that you might think of, you can use this method. Okay, so that'll be it. So let me just reassemble it and I'll bring you back once the bumper's assembled so I can show you the truck. And there it is, guys, all assembled. Everything matched, everything came out nice. And this will be it. This will be it for this video, guys. So guys, again, thank you very much. I hope you learned something. And subscribe to the channel. There's more videos to come. And hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video, guys. Alright, thank you very much. Have a great weekend. And like always, God bless.